guys, this is Shanie Entertainment, and I'm about to go for a jaunt in the storm. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. You see that? I'm going out there in this weather, so wish me luck. This is insanity. Welcome to Canada. Take off, you hosers. So, like, I'm on my way to go to my hospital. Snow's up to my knees. This is fun. This is some good times, guys. Oh yeah. I'm not wearing gloves, by the way. Kind of stupid. I can't find my gloves. So I'm gonna take a walk. See what happens in this weather. Oh boy. This is crazy. My hand's gonna fall off. These people. Learn not to drive. Nice weather, eh?
No way.
Take off, eh? To the Great White North. It's a beauty, way to go. Some people might be asking, Shanie, why are you walking outside in this? Aren't you crazy? Well, think about it, guys. How often do we go out on a real adventure in this world? You know, the closest thing we can come to an actual adventure, I mean, unless we're Jacques Cousteau or we're, you know, climbing Mount Everest. But the average Joe is just dealing with day-to-day stuff like, you know, storms, weather. You know, you never know. Maybe you could be of help with somebody. I almost got hit by a car. Well, he was going slow, so it wouldn't have done too much damage.
Hello.
Hi, how's it going? See how polite we are in Canada? He says hello in the bloody storm. Just the guy. Hello. Even in the storm, we're still polite. That if you don't film sideways, you get that bar thing. So here I am, trying to film more normally. Like, it's pretty bad out here, guys. I'm walking to pick up my wife. You know, see how she's doing. She has asthma, so I really don't want her to be walking in this by herself, just in case. She doesn't know I'm coming. I like to surprise. But yeah, she's probably like, what, are you crazy? Why'd you come out in this? I'm like, because if she's got to suffer, I've got to suffer. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to try and make my way through this, cut some time off my journey by cutting through this parking lot. Which could be dangerous. Whoa. You want to go skating? Huh? This is a perfect skating rink. Look at these guys. They're like, they do not look prepared for this cold. You guys go inside. It's too cold. Oh my god. Whoa, shit. There's supposed to be a step there. So I'm approaching Mount Snowmore. I'm so tempted. Oh shit, a truck is coming. Hopefully he sees me. Won't matter at this point. Should I go around, which is the smart move, or should I go over, which is the dumb move? I'm gonna go over because I'm stupid. Let's see, can I even go over? Oh, Jesus. Oh yeah. That's crazy. Look at this guy. that like, oh my god. Oh, look at that. I landed in a hole. Alright. That's good. That was fun. That was fun. That was where I climbed. Alright. Let's go get some Korean, huh? Koreo, 감사합니다. That's as far as my Korean goes. Well, I told my wife, she called her, she knows I'm coming, and just like I said, she's like, are you crazy? I can't even see. And I'm like, yeah, don't worry. I'm good. Everything's all good. We're supposed to meet at a store, so this way we can thaw out. So that's where I'm headed now, guys. I'm gonna meet inside a store. Alright guys, so I'll talk to you later. Alright guys, so I got her safe and sound. Now we're heading back home. Yeah, she already gave me shit about no gloves. And why'd you come out in this weather?
Yeah.
Right, that's exactly what she said, right?
Yep.
She's ninja-fying herself because of the cold. This is some fun, Winnie. Some fun winter. I'm like, my jaw's frozen. I can't even say winter. When fun winter. I can't even move my jaw. Sound drunk because it's so cold. Let's go shopping. That's like the third shopping cart I've seen on the way here. I think people just abandon their groceries and take off. I'm not putting up with this. Look at these people, suckers in their cars all warm. Look at these suckers. You guys are in your cars being warm, getting angry. Here I am walking like a G-Funk. I don't even know what a G-Funk is, but I feel like I lost somebody. Where did she go? Ever heard anybody doing impressions in the storm? You heard of riders in the storm, but have you ever heard of impressions in the storm? Well, this is Hank Hill. I want to go home and put up the barbecue and make me some propane sandwiches. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. I'm just delusional. Too Simpsony. Run for your life! He gave me the bird. Yeah. Alright guys, we are in the home stretch. This is the final frontier. These are the voyages of ludicrous, personally, Shanie thing. His mission: go pick up his wife, go do a little grocery shop, and to go home as quickly as anybody that's gone home before. It got very much more windy, and I still have no gloves. So I think I'm gonna have to thaw out my fingers. You still back there?
Yeah.
She's still back there. I'm here in the front cutting the wind. She usually has a problem when I break wind. This is the one time in her life where my wife likes it when I'm breaking wind. Let it all be known. Alright guys, so I just got in and yeah. We are very tired. Let's just show you what's going on outside. So this is how nice and peaceful it is in here. Nice and peaceful. And then look, hold on. I gotta put on my dang sandals, I'll tell you what. And then out here is like this. Anyway guys, made it home safe and sound. So now I get to do more Shanie entertainings. Alright guys, talk to you later.